Yunnie Kim from Kimchi Avocado here. Today I'm making one of my most favorite Korean comfort food dishes, kimchi fried rice with pork belly and a fried egg. This dish is pretty much a staple in my household because they're ingredients that I always have on hand. We're gonna be using avocado oil, fish sauce, sesame oil, salt and pepper, gochujang, which is a fermented red chili paste, some kimchi that I've drained, some scallions, furikake, and some pork belly, and some day-old Asian sticky rice. So I just heated up my pan. I threw in about a tablespoon of avocado oil, and I'm gonna salt and pepper my pork belly. Okay, so my pan is nice and hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw my pork belly in. And you want to just let it get a nice sear. So once it's all spread out, you don't need to touch it again. Just let it do its thing so it can caramelize. Get it nice and crisp. You can transfer it to a plate, and we're going to use all of this rendered fat from the pork belly to stir fry the kimchi. Okay, so I'm going to add the kimchi. Okay, we're gonna throw in our day-old sticky rice now. And you just wanna break that up so the rice and the kimchi gets nicely incorporated. Like I said, if you wanna make this dish vegan, you can just replace the fish sauce with tamari. So I like to just go around the edges there, and that's about half a teaspoon. Okay, we're ready to add the gochujang now, which is gonna give it a little heat. There we go. Throw back in the pork belly so the pork belly can pick up all of the flavor from the chili paste and from the fish sauce. This is ready to plate. So I'm just gonna let this sit for a minute because we're ready to fry our egg now. Let's move that back there. Okay, I am gonna throw in about a teaspoon of avocado oil, and I'm gonna get the pan nice and hot because I like my fried egg a little crispy on the edges. Egg. So our kimchi fried rice is ready to plate and garnish. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And we're gonna top it off with my fried egg. It's my favorite part right there. And then we're gonna garnish it with some scallions, just like that. And sprinkle some furikake. There it is, my favorite Korean comfort food, kimchi.